Or
Martel, Coast to Coast AM.
oh yeah. I do know who that is. Yeah.
Coast to Coast.
Original books. My wife got this for me.
The heck was that about?
Launching my own radio show in honor of Art Bell, New York.
Leave the road moment. What the hell's going on there? Okay, leave the road, then join the road. Yep. This is why I left a great big space right there. He's gonna make it. Oh no. Thing is, he still had like a lot of space over there. Dude, don't pull forward. What the hell? Stay behind the line. That's not all about you. Oh, you waited till now to move over? Oh, wait, what the hell?
The road came when they were still kind of like, what are we doing? But
What
they were
are we
like,
doing?
hey, there's something about this road.
This is what I mean. This is why I like nerds so much. Is because it's a game. Like you said, Skittles, where the Skittles is just doing one thing. Game. Like you said, Skittles, where the Skittles is just doing one thing. I mean, they got the gummy and all that stuff. But they're doing one thing. You know what you're about is Skittles. And so nerds is having to put in a lot of work where they're like, dude, we gotta have too many things, and then they're closing in now.
Yeah.
Wow.
They were there.
What in the hell is going on?
It just took somebody going, let's make this happen. They were there.
Five. Man, and he really loves that theme. Oh. Lights are off. Nobody's home. Yeah, I've learned my lesson. Oh, that's unusual. Just saw a truck get pulled over. How many? Oh, that's unusual. Just saw a truck get pulled over.
Vortex with the thing in the middle.
Oh, here you
Now
go.
the poor vortex is split.
Probably the one container truck in all of Washington who was doing the speed limit. That was smart. Yeah. Okay, there you go look up some old video of mine, or maybe some Google Maps or Google Earth or whatever, and show how this has been a big improvement. Wow. Oh boy. They, whew, got some issues. 1, 2, 3 of them down. Snake!
I go home, they were right back down, and I'm like, we're never getting those
Wow.
people back. And we didn't get them back, bro. We did not
Great
get
big
them back.
space right
Well,
there.
that's the thing I talk about. It was unfortunate we worked together in TNA. It was probably the things in wrestling. And I've been guilty of like being passionate and having good intentions, but also in a way, you know, kind of overstepping the wrestler-writer thing and trying wanting to put in. But we've had that type of
Feeling in the world. What you described is so true. And here's the worst thing, CB. I experienced this at WCW. Here's the worst thing. You're waiting for it.
hard and you don't understand how the game's played in the business.
Yeah, I don't think that's 60.
Game always won for the guys. We used to call themselves the game.
Yeah.
Oh, you're going over there anyway, huh?
CB, how interesting would it be to like
Well, so
just
much
take
for all
a
that
team
not doing
of
60.
like the 5 greatest psychiatrists in the world and let them.
Gotta have some of that double quarter pounder of cheese. Yep, you got that stoplight way before I did.
The suit alleges that Miss Frederick Hicks was trying to retrieve toilet paper from a metal recessed dispenser when the unit's
I guess I might as
unlocked
well
cabinet
get
door
clips of
abruptly
trailers
swung
with their
open
lights off.
and hit her in the ankle,
Ouch.
resulting in severe.
How or why would we know? Whether or not he graduated from.
I think he graduated from Kenyon College, but I think he briefly attended Ohio
Who?
University and got thrown out. Here's the thing. I
Obama
think,
went to Kenyon College. Here's the thing.
no, he didn't. He just he went to
His
Columbia
dad
and then
did.
went to
He was born in
I got a good view of him too, so if he does walk by.
companies. One example was Adobe. Oppenheimer downgraded Adobe stock to outperform, and withdrew its price target entirely, citing threats from AI that apply to varying degrees across the application software industry. And the AI in Photoshop bogs the whole damn thing down. Like Photoshop is an
No, that may
unusable
not be
mess
70.
unless you've got like a gaming rig at this point. It's so hard to use, right? And you,
Now he slowed
I
down for
tried it
whatever
with
reason.
GIMP, and even Affinity and stuff just does not import correctly. So I'm kind of stuck with it for now, but yeah, if I could get rid of it, I'd get rid of it. They said they worry that generative AI could upend the seat-based pricing to Shira because then Shira's only relevant now because of Netflix and people like it now. But it's cool.
No,
But,
I know he said it,
Guy's
but I was
passing me again.
like that's not as relevant.
Little bit on the close side
That's not true.
there.
As a Shearer fan, not true.
Hey guys, welcome back to Clownfish TV. This is Neon. I am here with Kiki Sparkles. This is really interesting. The Democrats are flipping out over EA being sold to the
Thank you. People pull pranks like that. They slow down and let everybody pile up behind them, and now I can't make my turn. Also holding up that guy over there because he's waiting on me to get the hell out of
That is interesting.
Why don't they wash?
I mean, you can't really wash a leather glove all that well. I
guess you're
they have
right.
equipment management and stuff, but
Leave
only
the
so
road
much you
moment.
can
Ugh.
do. You sweat that much.
Ugh.
Well,
Thank you very much.
Maybe that's what turns these guys on and heated running.
oh, there you go. They like the
Yeah.
smell. I love that
Very
testicular funk.
Once again, this is the heated rivalry is the story of two men.
This was the guy who was smoking his brakes. It's like you gotta leave the road moment there, maybe.
What looked like T-Mobile.com and got excited.
Slowing down. I think he was smoking his brakes, but
Yeah, I'm gonna bring those out. Didn't even care for the
right lane ins.
And I want to be clear now. It is the brisket was better than hard eight.
An illegal issue, and they're going to sue you probably, or certainly going to
spaghetti.
your credit. And I don't know how your credit is important to you.
Plus one. Wait until the last possible second to move over. Well, not exactly the last second. It's at 3/4 of a mile. Dang, dude. Oh, that's completely unnecessary.
Little pleasure.
Oh.
Icing the butt. First time.
Paint splatter had seen before.
Yeah, what?
Back when Obafemi's at NXT and Pentagon sold more masks. So if he hits him with that, then he's got a bump for him. Same as the Chelsea Green dump. Nobody sees the money at anything, and mid-card guys agenting are not protecting top guys how they.
Changed his mind. Nothing wrong with that. Should have changed his mind sooner. He could have made that. He could have made that turn. Yeah, you gonna go anytime? This guy, I don't think he moved at all. Yeah, that's not a good place to break down.
What are we doing, man?
Oh, the King so headed for the shop.
You did a great job.
Oh, it's great.
Right, all right. Like I remember, I mean, I saved $12.
One.
You exposed
Thanks a lot, U-Haul guy.
Like I said, the guy studied art in college. 1034 said, I remember
That's three.
hearing a story from Reader's Digest about a family who was
The hook?
Oh wow.
So that's the $1 million question. When I went back into log into DocuSign, it says the document is no longer available, despite me having a
This new thing about only counting.
By the way, the O'Reilly Auto Parts Studios. This is the Bob and Tom Show.
Very close to the top of the list. If you are in some kind of a mental facility, oh boy, that's a big winner too. And if you have any combination of the three, we have hit the hat trick, which is just the best you can do. The number 800